guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that aren't new, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today's video is going to be a summer to fall capsule wardrobe outfits ideas. I am going to be showing 5 days worth of outfits that I wore using my 10 item capsule wardrobe. If you haven't already seen my capsule wardrobe video from the fall of 2021, I will link that in the description box down below so that you can get an idea of what all 10 pieces are after you're done watching this video. Today's outfit is, I'm dressing for kind of a classic Pacific Northwest fall day. It is 70 degrees outside and pouring down rain. So I have taken this REI wicking dress. This is one of my core items. I paired it with a Forever 21 utility jacket. This is hooded. I think that I have had this jacket for probably close to 10 years and it was around $20. It's held up so well. I have worn this every fall season for the last 10 years and still really like it. I do roll up the sleeves because they're a little bit long. I swapped out my Apple band for the leopard print, and then I am wearing some Target Threshold Mules. These are not very comfortable shoes. I own these mules in a number of different patterns. I find that the more suede-like texture is more comfortable than these faux leather shoes. But because I'm not going to be on my feet much today, I thought that it would be fine, a good opportunity to try to kind of break them in and see if maybe with wear, if they're a little bit more comfortable. Here is a close-up of what the watch band looks like. I ordered this off of Amazon and I found that I didn't really wear it in the summer, but I do think that it's cute and goes well with a lot of my fall items. My makeup is the same as always, and I did, see if I can show them here, I did paint my nails in something that I felt was a little bit more fall inspired. So I went with these 3 different colors of brown and then white on the pinky and the thumb. And here, I'll just give you another pano of today's outfit. Today's outfit is this denim jacket. I got this from Old Navy. I think that I bought it a couple years ago, but they always have these like light wash, semi-distressed denim jackets. I do recommend, if you're between sizes, going up in these so that it has a little bit more oversized fit. This dress came from Target. It was something that I purchased between summer and fall of 2021, so I think that it's still available. And then I am wearing these mules that came from Target. I bought these last fall, but they always have these on their website. Sometimes there's a little bit more limited sizing available, but I find that this time of year they typically restock these and they're available again. These are also far more comfortable than the pair that I wore yesterday. That's the faux leather look. I swapped out my watch band just to the plain black because the leopard was not going to go with this outfit. I did my hair and makeup in less than 10 minutes. I probably got ready completely in less than 10 minutes. I have very minimal makeup on today. I've been working all morning and now I'm just trying to run to the grocery store and run a couple of errands before it's time to make dinner. I threw my hair up in a ponytail, put in a bow, and that is just going to complete this really simple fall look for today. Today's outfit, it is currently 68 degrees outside, which this is what makes a fall capsule a little bit tricky if you live in a state that really has 4 different seasons, is that there's these periods of time that are kind of transitional. So today's one of those days. It's really sunny outside. I think that the high is maybe in the mid to high 70s today, so I'm trying to dress accordingly. This dress is one of my core items. It's actually a maxi dress. I ordered it from Amazon. I do always knot it on the bottom because it is too long for me. I'm 5 foot tall, so this is the problem I run into with most maxi dresses, is that they're just too long for me and I end up knotting the bottom. I did pair it with this Amazon belt, and I ordered a 2-pack of these. It came in a brown and then in the black. Both of them have the gold buckle in the front, which I think is cute. It just kind of dresses up the outfit a little bit. This came from a local boutique. It's just a lace kimono that I like to throw over a dress when I think that it's gonna be too warm to wear a full-on jacket, but too cool not to wear anything over my arms. Oh, I'm pairing it with that today. And then I'm going to be wearing sandals on my feet. These came from Target. I bought them last year. I doubt that they're still available, but they're just a simple black and brown pair of slide sandals. Apple Watch. I always wear a silicone ring. I have really sensitive skin, and I cannot wear my wedding ring unless it's for a very special occasion because it really irritates my finger. Wearing some pearl studs, and then my necklace is, let's see if I can get in the frame here. This is a pearl with some diamonds around it. I got this for being in a bridal party, and I've had it for, I think she's been married for 7 years, and I've worn it almost every single day since her wedding. That is the outfit today. I feel really comfortable, but I also feel like I look put together. I don't have any major plans for the day. I'm just going to run a couple errands, do the school run, and try to get some housework done while the kids are in school. And I forgot to mention my hair. I put this Olaplex number 8 mask on my hair, and I like this, but it's very difficult for me to style my hair after I put this in. I have a lot of hair, but it's really thin. So I think that I'm gonna start doing this probably on Sundays, because normally we don't go anywhere and I can wash my hair, put this mask on, and then I'll do my Monday morning workout, wash my hair again, and not be so worried about how to style my hair after I put this in. I do have the number 3 mask as well, and I do not have that problem when I use number 3. It's just when I use the number 8. Also, one of the errands that I'm running today is I'm going to try to go to Goodwill. I want to do the $5 Goodwill challenge that Hillary from Old World Home hosts every season on her channel. And today's the only day that I can get out while the kids are in school and see if I can find anything to participate in that challenge. If I was able to find anything, that video will have gone up before this, and I will link it in the description box down below. I'll also probably put down here whether or not I could find anything and do it or not. If you have watched my channel for any length of time, you have seen this dress. I put it in almost every season's capsule with the exception of winter. It's just a basic chambray dress. I picked this up at JCPenney for $17 and have definitely got my money's worth. Now, I've looked, it is not still available, but I did find a pretty close dupe on Amazon. I can't attest to the quality of the Amazon dress, but I will link it in the description box down below if you're looking for an affordable chambray dress option that has similar style to this. It has the tortoise buttons and the cinch waist. Now, it is 50 degrees out currently, so I will probably bring a sweater. The high today is 84, so I need to dress for the really cool fall mornings, but then also keep in mind that it's gonna be almost 85 degrees this afternoon. I am pairing it with these Leopard Mules. These are from the same line at Target as the other 2 mules that I have worn in this week's video. I love mules in the fall because it gives that fall vibe by being a closed-toed shoe, but it's still versatile enough when it's still warm outside. Let me grab it here. This is the sweater that I'm probably going to throw over the top of this dress. This is just a basic cream colored cardigan. Came from Target. I have it in 3 different colors and get quite a bit of use out of layering pieces like that. Now that particular sweater I bought last year, but I did check and they have something very similar available again this year. So I just threw this sweater on over the top. You can see it's really slouchy oversized. These do run true to size. I bought this in a size medium, so I would say that they're pretty true to size and give you that nice relaxed fit. So I'll wear this in the morning while it's cold and then just take it off when it warms up later in the day. I'm finally wearing an outfit that is not a dress. I realized in this entire video I've been wearing dresses every single day. I love dresses all year round, but when you're still in that summer to fall transition, it's still pretty warm outside. I love the ease of being able to wear a dress when it gets warmer later in the day, throw a sweater on it earlier in the day. Today, the high is around 75 degrees, so it's cooler than it was yesterday, and I thought that it was a perfect day to wear pants. These are a pair of black skinny jeans that came from Talbot's. I know that skinny jeans are not in trend anymore, but buying new denim's expensive, and I purchased 1 new pair of denim that is in a more relaxed fit, but I'm just not ready to give up all my skinny jeans. These jeans are amazing quality, and Talbot's has sales all the time where you can get them for a very affordable price. I'm pairing it with the same Amazon belt that I wore earlier in the week. This blouse came from Nordstrom Rack, and it's new this year. I liked it because it had a V in the back. However, because of that, it doesn't stay on my shoulder. So I have to wear something over the top of it or my bra strap shows, which kind of defeats the entire purpose of why I bought this shirt in the first place, but that's fine. I am just throwing over this white boyfriend. I think that this was a boyfriend fit dress shirt. This came from American Eagle. This was a much higher price point than I like to pay for basic things like this, especially in white, because I typically ruin it. But I really wanted a loose-fitting shirt like this that I could button up, I could knot in the front, I could wear open like this. It's super versatile, and it is also really comfortable. It's not too thick where I get too hot on warmer days, but it does provide an extra layer on days that it is a little bit cooler, particularly in the morning. My shoes are a pair of driving loafers. These came from Oliver Cabell. I think all their shoes come from Italy. The quality of these shoes is excellent. The time that it took to get these shoes, I think that Amazon has completely ruined me on thinking that things ship really quickly, because these took forever to arrive. Like, I think it was at least 6 weeks that it took for me to get these shoes in the mail. But when they finally came, they were worth the wait. They are really high quality, and I think that they add a little bit more of a dressy look to a more casual outfit like this. I swapped the watch band out for the leather band, and that's it. I did use that number 3 hair mask on my hair today, and I was able to style it without any problem. So I definitely prefer the Olaplex number 3 mask over the number 8, but I am going to keep using both. If you have a capsule wardrobe, let me know about it in the comments down below. And if you are new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. I will include an entire playlist full of capsule wardrobe videos for you here, as well as a video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy down here. I hope you're all doing well. See you in my next video. Bye.